Hi, I'm Grace Dawes, editor of Movement, and I'm here at Move America 2023 today in Austin, Texas. And I'm kindly joined by Brice Adamson, president of Enterprise Fleet Management. Thank you so much for joining me today, Brice.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, great. And can you tell me a bit about Enterprise Fleet Management and how they fit into the world of mobility? What brings you to Move today?
Yeah, sure. So Enterprise Fleet Management is the largest affiliate of Enterprise Holdings. Brands that you'd be most familiar with Enterprise are Enterprise Rent-A-Car, National Rent-A-Car, Alamo Rent-A-Car, but we're the largest affiliate. And what we do is we work with small to medium-sized companies that are focused on running their own business, and we help them manage their fleet. So we do what we think we're the best at and help them focus on what they're really good at.
Great. And earlier this morning, you held your own very own talk, on how fleet management is helping businesses to drive their sustainability goals forward. Can you give me some of the main takeaways, kind of a summary of what you spoke about in that and how Enterprise Fleet Management is also doing that as well?
Yeah, so basically the message that I was trying to communicate to the audience was just how fleet management companies, and particularly Enterprise, can help companies achieve their sustainability goals. I gave three really real life examples of how we're doing that. One is Domino's, the pizza franchise that everyone's familiar with. We've helped them put on about 1,100 vehicles, EVs, to help with their sustainability targets of reaching zero emissions by the year 2050. So that's a real visible, sort of way that we've helped somebody because they've got their name on the sides of the vehicles, which many of our clients do have their names on the sides of their vehicles.
So when you say about pushing sustainability goals forward, is it that you tend to recommend electric vehicles for fleet management operations? Do you tend to recommend those?
Most importantly, we like to learn what the client's goals and objectives are, and then we help them achieve their targets. So with Domino's in particular, they wanted to reach zero emissions on their delivery pizza fleet by 2050. So EV was a great way to do it. Chevrolet Bolt is what we recommended, and we've been able to put 1,100 on the road in just almost a year.
Amazing. Yeah. What can we expect to see from Enterprise Fleet Management in the near to distant future?
Well, I think companies are still looking for help in this area, and we're growing. We're opening up offices around the country. We just opened up an office in Des Moines. We're opening up a full-service office in Las Vegas to service the Las Vegas and Reno market. We're continuing to get closer to where our customers and prospects, more importantly, are. We tend to find there's a lot of people, especially in the small to medium fleet size space, that are still trying to manage their own fleet. And so we're kind of turning non-users of fleet management into users of fleet management.
Great, I'm glad to hear that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your experience here at Move.
Thank you for having me.